Hi, my name is Anthem, and today we're featuring the Wi-Fi Circle here at one of our satisfied customers, Dave and Buster's, in the city of Orange, California. All right. Hey, what's up, everybody? You probably remember that one, little Wi-Fi Circle. Here's another business that I sold, Tattoo Masterclass. Pretty cool. Excuse me. Sold this about a year ago. I was making about $3,000 a weekend with this service, and I'm really proud of this individual, Dave, that I sold it to. You can see he's making about $3,000 a sign up, which is pretty awesome. That's a cool one. So that was Tattoo Masterclass. Again, had a little bit of success with Wi-Fi Circle. That was a fun intellectual property I put together for Dave and Buster's. The next one was Tattoo Masterclass. Pretty cool. That was a fun opportunity to share with people how to learn about the space, and I ended up training a lot of plastic surgeons and people in the health and wellness world. Then this is a fun one. This is a Zombie Kitty that I drew up on a napkin in Sunset Beach and sold it to Hot Topic Inked magazine all throughout the United Kingdom. That was a cool design. Really had a lot of fun with that. And today we're going to talk about Instagramic. Pretty awesome. Instagramic is kind of like those. You know, necessity is the mother of invention. And you know that right now it's a unique time. So what I want to share with you is if we can use as many tools as we can to reach our people, our audiences, but also be as efficient as we can, expand our reach and be effective in whatever we leverage. I want to share with you that Instagramic could be that service for you. So Instagramic, in a nutshell, is a way for you to have your product, service, or brand put in front of the followers of Instagram influencers. So these people have, in my wheelhouse right now, for the sunrise period of Instagramic, these are people that have 25 to 50,000 followers. Now, the value proposition that I'm bringing with Instagramic is a way that people can enjoy the audience that is interested in your product. So, for example, was really rolled out for realtors, loan officers, agents in debt settlement, and then startup businesses. So I will maybe just kind of highlight a few of those pain points of those types of individuals, those professions, those professionals, and how Instagramic can and is working for them. So realtors, a lot of door knocking, a lot of hoping that the card will fall into the right hands, and the like. Well, we all know that hope is not a plan. So Instagramic casts a larger net to people that are interested in buying or selling in the case of the realtor. Now, what I'm able to do is find that organic audience through the Instagram influencer, and these are people that are interested in buying or selling homes. These are not people that are interested in motorcycles or going to the beach. These are people, they might be interested in that, but they're interested in obtaining home ownership or selling their home. In the case of loan officers, you can attract better business. Let's say you're killing it, and we'll just do them both together. Loan officers and agents in debt settlement. These are my peers. I'm involved in the financial space in that world, and people that want to maybe break through to the other tier. The commissions get higher when you get to another level. So let's say you're stuck at 17 deals and you need to get to 20. Push the button on Instagramic. I can help you attract people that, let's say, they are looking for a refinance. Perfect. I can get those clients for you and get those clients that are interested in talking to you. You can take it from there. Let's say it's someone who is struggling with their unsecured debt. Then that's an opportunity for them to join you and find you through Instagramic. I know you'll know what to do with those leads as well. And then startup businesses. I actually had a client who is in the space of importing and selling a new watch product, very lovely product, and that is kind of maybe on the back burner now, but that attracted some new clients in the cannabis industry, which is very lovely. So this is a way to reach more people with your health and wellness product, or even a recreational product, and attract that better business. So Instagramic is a way that you can get the business that you deserve, to attract the business that you've been hoping for, and now you don't have to hope. You have a plan. So let's take a look at maybe a little bit of a case study, if you will, and I'll just show you how it works a little bit, or I'm sorry, what it does. And we'll go to an influencer right here. This individual, her name is, let me scroll up here, I have this one ready here, Nicole Lower. Very nice person on Instagram. You can see she has 14,500 followers, and she's kind of involved with, it looks like health and wellness, just an active person, a very nice person. But let's talk about engagement. So how does this work exactly? So what we would do here is we leverage the space that's hot, and video is hot. So if you notice here, here's a photograph that's cool. She's nice. 287 people were, they clicked on that picture, they gave it a love. When we go to video, now you can see that 1,978 people actually clicked play on this video. So they're interested. So you can see the conversion. Right here is a nice picture of her, but it's, a fraction of what you can do with video. Video is engaging. I'll just kind of show you one more, and this will share with you. Here's another video, I guess a workout video. Very cool. And about 1,800 people. You can see here that the engagement on someone that has about 14,500 followers, you're going to get about 1 to 2% engagement. So what would happen here is we would pop your ad. This individual would say, hey, I have John Realtor's business card. Pop it right there. I really think you should give him a call. Right now it's a hot market to sell your home if you're downsizing, the kids moved out, and you can maybe get a new property, and of course get as much value out of the sale of your home in that process with John Realtor. Pretty self-explanatory. I'll go back up to Instagramic here. And the best part about Instagramic right now, it's sunrise pricing, sunrise period. So I have about 7 clients right now. I've been at this maybe about 2, maybe 3 weeks, I'll say. And there's a little more information on there. You're welcome to call my, I have my 424 number, and of course my 800 numbers at the bottom. But let's go a little bit more and let me show you how you can sign up. Very easy. You have some questions, just reach out here. Just it's going to be click here to get Instagramic. Boom. Nice form comes up. Instagramic.com. It's actually the extension is XYZ, and this will give me another. This will give me additional tools to be, make you more successful out there. I want to learn about what your goals are, and I'll provide a custom solution for you. So going back to Instagramic, have fun with it. You can see it's really blown up. Down here, I invite you to have a tracker on your sites. I'm able to see what's going on with my world of business, and you can just see I did one little trial run with with Facebook the other day, and that was this morning. Let me say the other day, last night. But you can see the hits are coming in today. So I invite you to get under the umbrella here of Instagramic.com. I'm here to help, and reach out if you have any questions. Let's take your business to the next level. Let's attract the abundance that you deserve to have, and let's use a tool that can keep you less hands-on physically. Nowadays, we want to be careful with what we're doing with COVID-19. This would be a way that you can expand your reach by not having to go anywhere. I'm happy to help you do that. Let's reach those goals together. Have an awesome weekend.